Hello everybody and welcome to my first ever unboxing video. What I've got here is Wrestle Crate UK. So in here there should be some t-shirts, some autographs and all things wrestling related. There is 2 boxes in here because I did get a free box. So let's open it and see what's inside. As you can see, I've not even opened it yet. So this is going to be my gut reaction to seeing what's inside. Obviously, as soon as we get inside, we can start having some fun. As you can see, we have 2 boxes here, so let's get straight in to this first box and see what we have in here. Let's open it up. Okay, we start off with what looks to be a CM Punk t-shirt. Let's open it up and have a look. I'll show everybody. Obviously with Wrestle Crate you can decide on what size t-shirt you get. I got 3XL, so a nice CM Punk t-shirt there. Put it better into the camera so you can see. That is pretty sweet, have to admit. Big CM Punk fan, known him since his Ring of Honor and IWA Mid-South days, so very happy with that to begin with. And we have a, looks like a little Stone Cold Steve Austin cat badge. And if anybody knows me, I've got a black cat, her name's Tilly. Wrestling and cats, beautiful for me. A big book of puzzles. So some wrestling related puzzles there for you to play. That'd be fun. A signed picture. I'm not sure who that is. I will look into it. But that is pretty sweet. A nice clean picture. And see what else we have in here. Really nice signed Bullet Club picture there. That's pretty nice as well. And then another picture just like that. That's nice. And you do get a code there to watch a Scott Steiner shoot interview, which if you know Scott Steiner, you know that's going to be fun. He won't mix his words and doesn't care who he offends. So that's what's in this first crate. And okay, here is crate number 2. Let's take a look at the box for everybody. Again, not opened up this one, so let's see what's inside. If we can get the lid off. Struggle to get into it. It's not a bad thing. Okay, just open the sides up here, and we get to see what's in here. Pretty happy with that first t-shirt, a CM Punk t-shirt, being a CM Punk fan. So here we have a Hunter Hydration is Best for Business Triple H sort of little water jug. That is very, very cool. I'll take a look at the t-shirt in a second. Again, now we've got a CM Punk little picture there, a little badge. That is pretty sweet as well. Inside here we have a very cool AJ Lee or AJ Mendez picture. Love AJ. Again, for someone who deals with mental health problems, her book is amazing. Also, look out for her interview she does with Benet. It's really, really good on YouTube. Okay, exclusive autograph in February. It says we're going to get a Ricky Steamboat one, so we will receive that. A free code. This is just perfect for me for the for Terry Funk in Japan. I love Terry Funk. So again, this is amazing. We've got some more pictures in here to look at. Yes, that's another picture as well. Again, I will find out who these people are. I apologise to them. He's European Deathmatch Champion. Do love my death matches. Big fan of FMW in Japan. Now, see, and there's a lovely Mick Foley little badge there as well, which is pretty cool. And let's take a look at this second t-shirt. It's looking like a Bret Hart t-shirt, which I'm very happy about. Yeah, Montreal Screwjob Bret Hart t-shirt. So that is pretty awesome. For those people wondering behind me, I do have Bret Hart t-shirt there as well, and I'm currently wearing a Hayabusa t-shirt. Again, first viewing of these boxes, really happy with the t-shirts, really happy with the badges as well. Obviously being a cat lover and a cat owner, cats and wrestling, just amazing. I'll do my research and find out who the pictures are of again. And this little hydration cup is really cool. Again, I'm not sponsored by Wrestle Crate, so this is my honest opinion of it. This was my first crate. I received a free crate as well, and I'm actually quite happy with everything. Bret Hart fan, Terry Funk fan, CM Punk fan, AJ Lee fan. So for me, this is a win. If there was anything I would change, maybe the names of who people are on the back of the pictures. I don't want to be disrespectful of them. I don't know who they are. I'm not up to date with a lot of UK and European indie wrestlers. I used to be, not anymore. Those days have gone where I go to shows regularly. But again, thank you, Wrestle Crate, for the free gift as well. Obviously, when I got this case, I also got a special download for John Moxley in ZZW, which was also great. So if you're looking to get these boxes, they do one a month. I think it's £24, it might be £23.99. Obviously, you can put what size t-shirt you want in it. I've got one size up, because they never know with fittings. But again, this is my first 2 Wrestle Crates, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.